Have you been looking to engage on a mindful goal-setting session, enriched by the grounding sense of essential oils? Join me, Moonflower Child, and discover how aroma can positively influence your focus, motivation, and determination. By taking part in the Scent of Self-Worth online workshop, you are automatically securing your spot in this aromatic journey towards holistic wellness. So don't miss this chance to be a part of a transformative experience and be ready to embark on an adventure of self-discovery.